Jordan Brand started as the ultimate platform for Michael Jordan's basketball legacy, but over the years, it has grown into a symbol of culture, fashion, and lifestyle beyond the court. While the Air Jordan series continues to deliver high-performance basketball gear for athletes, the brand now explores designs that merge sport and style. The latest reveal is the all-new women's Jordan Pointe, a silhouette inspired by ballet footwear that fuses training features with a pointe shoe aesthetic. It features ribbon laces combined with a velcro-assisted lockdown strap, keeping the foot secure while offering at least 3 different ways to style the laces for a personalized look. A chunky sole completes the design, keeping it on trend and visually striking. The first colorway, royal blue, gives a fresh take on Jordan's heritage. Official photos show the intricate details, and this model, along with other upcoming styles, is expected to release on Nike.com and Jordan.com by May 2026.